Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. This video is for the 3rd of December, so the Friday. So basically just reviewing how Friday closed and essentially looking at obviously how you could have got in and utilized our analysis. So by finishing on the end of this week, we didn't really find too much with GBP USD. We was basically coming to find support at our EMAs here, but as we can see, we turned down, fell more bearish, so there was bearish pressure there, but there was no real entry potential there on the Friday for pound US dollar. Coming to Euro USD, we mentioned about this potential trade here, taking a short. Now if you did take your take profit here, that would have been your potential first take profit, so a good 30 pips there and at its maximum 0.44. However, if you did not place your stop loss to break even, this would have probably cancelled you out, or it potentially just might have kept you in, just depending on how far you put your stop loss, obviously risk to reward, etc. But I'm just going to assume that this has come back on itself, so the only real trade here would have been from that to this point. USD JPY, we can see that we've had that push to the downside of the Asian session, and we've basically been descending down to our weekly level. So this will be good to review it in the weekly analysis. But there was no, like I said, there was no potential here. We would be waiting for this pullback, essentially, this scenario, but it may happen next week or basically whenever it does happen, but it's too early for this move to retrace right of now, especially with the war that commenced and obviously in the news. And finally with gold, this has still been bullish. They failed to get that retest back now, and we are looking at our next levels are around 1552. So we will update all of the charts for the weekend for the weekly analysis videos. So make sure you check that out, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for all of the future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.